Hello, this is Manesh Patel with IMTF Trade. Today is January 3rd, 2017, and what we're going to do is discuss how to find tops and bottoms. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at crude oil, which has been going up higher and higher and higher, and we're going to look at exactly when the bottom was declared for crude oil and when you should start looking for bullish opportunities on your trading time frame. Before we begin, let's go for our normal disclaimer to state this is for education use only. We're not soliciting you buy or sell a particular instrument. If you do so, you're doing that at your own risk. All the information is owned by EII Capital Group, cannot be copied or distributed without our written permission. We are broker neutral, so we support every platform, charting platform, and brokerage platform out there, from TradeStation, eSignal, and so forth. Today, we're going to be basically discussing crude oil, and we're going to look at the ETF XOP on TradingView. Okay, so let's go straight to the chart. So here we have a chart from TradingView. It's XOP. We're looking at the ETF for XOP. And the reason why is if you've been following me for the last couple of years, you notice that we look at the crude oil futures and then we look at the ETFs. XOP has been giving us advantage over the crude oil futures and a lot of times for finding tops and bottoms. And that's one of the reasons why we're going to look at that today. So here we have is a monthly chart for XOP. And what I've done is the IMTF indicator that we have available on TradingView and other platforms. What I've done is I've taken out the Ichimoku side completely, okay? And all I've done is given you a monthly chart with the crosses, which are the IMTF, the major support resistances for multiple time frames, specifically looking at the swing and long. And what we're doing is we're going to keep this very short and simple. In order to have a bullish trend, you have to have supports going higher. In order to have a bearish trend, you have to have resistances going lower, okay? And all you're going to do is look at these crosses, and you're going to look to find if something's going down. You're going to look to find when two crosses are going higher. And the crosses have to be supports. That means the crosses can't be above the bar where the resistance is. They have to be a support. So right here, you can see there was a cross right there. And you could see that was a support here. You could see it was a resistance here. It was a support here. So you could see in this scenario here, like here you had a resistance here, and that was a support. So that's not two resistances going down at all, which is not good. Here you had a resistance here that was going down, and then you had a support here. And if you look, you really didn't have, you had a support here, but you really don't have a support here. Reason why is even though it closed higher, you kind of want it to be below the bottom of that rectangle there in order to count as a support. Okay, so let's look at the current market situation. And you guys probably been hearing crude oil has been going up. You can see this was going down, 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 down. There's a resistance here, a multiple time frame resistance there, and then you had a multiple time frame support right here. That was the beginning of a possibility of a bottom here be declared. Now all we need is another cross that develops that's higher. And you could see right here, which was November of 2017, a cross basically developed here being higher. So this is when the cross developed here. So beginning of November is when crude oil was now officially sit there counted as being bullish, and that's when you had a cross right here. So you had two crosses in a row, two supports in a row going higher. So now all you have to do is look for a bullish opportunity on your trading time frame. Whatever it may be the case, you could trade it for any product, any instrument, and so forth. So that's basically very, very simple on how to find tops and bottoms and on any particular instrument and so forth. Now we did on a monthly time frame. Reason why is we're looking for something that's long-term top and bottom. That way we have an opportunity to get a good reward risk ratio and so forth. You could apply this technique on any time frames out there and whatever you like to do for any instrument worldwide. If you have any questions, you could email us at info@eiicapital.com. If you'd like to know more about the IMTF indicator or where the tutorials are and where you could get more information on finding tops and bottoms here, you could pretty much email us here at info@eiicapital.com. Thank you and have a good day.